Hi friends, welcome. Today we see The Race, written by F.D. Homane. About the author. Francis Downes Homane was the director of Singapore Research Station from 1952 to 1957 and for the next 3 years taught marine biology at Hong Kong University. He is a writer by choice and in all his writings. For example, South Latitude, he was described his own experiences. This lesson of race I described two titles. Number 1, gist of the lesson. Number 2, summary. Number 1, gist of the lesson. Homane decided to participate in the 225 yards race. The Millers expressed their wish to come and see him win. The girlfriends promised to come and see him win. On the sports day, the Millers and his girlfriends were all seated near the finishing point. Mr. Shuttleworth patted him. Mr. Shuttleworth smiled at him. She advised him not to look back. Mr. Simpson asked him to breathe gently. Homane took his position. The pistol cracked. He wasted a second by looking at the girlfriends. Then others shot past him. The boy picked up his hitch. He was ahead of them all. At this moment he committed the blunder of looking back to see who were following him. The rival won. The boy finished second. All congratulated the boy. Something was better than nothing, they said. But Mr. Shuttleworth was angry. He would have won if he had not looked around. The boy looked at the prizes on the table. He was not impressed with any of them. He prepared a bicycle bell or a postcard or a model engine. A lady in a purple dress waits to give away the prizes. The boy's turn came at last. The lady gave Homane the heavy cup meant for the first place winner. The boy was overjoyed. Just then the real winner snatched away the cup. The victor encouraged the disappointed by saying that the boy would get the big one next year. Number 2, summary. The race, F.D. Homane. Introduction. The race is an extract taken from The House in the Park by F.D. Homane. In it, he narrates the excitement arising from his participation in the running race. Homane's decision to participate in the race. Homane was a small boy. He had failed in the trial race, but he had finished the course without giving it up. It was in itself a triumph. He felt that with an extra effort, he would win the race. On Sunday before the school sports day, Homane told Mr. and Mrs. Miller, the friends of his family, that he was participating in 225 yards handicap race. They expressed their wish to come and see the race. He got a promise from his girlfriends to come and see the race. The influence of personal visitors. On that sports day, the Millers and the girlfriends he wanted to please were provided seat near the finishing point. Mr. Shuttleworth, the headmaster, patted him Homane on his shoulder. Mrs. Shuttleworth was pleasant to him. Mr. Simpson evinced interest in him. Encouragement to Homane. Homane's failure in the trial race had made Mr. Shuttleworth give him a start of 100 yards from the starting line. He was standing at the starting point and was waiting for the crack of Mr. Shuttleworth's pistol. Mrs. Shuttleworth advised him not to look around. Mr. Shuttleworth asked him to run gently, pick up speed slowly, and run with all his effort. Mr. Simpson advised him to breathe gently and naturally. The start trace of the Homane's mistakes. The pistol cracked, but then he was looking at his girlfriends. Thus he lost a second of a precious time. Now he heard the thundering steps of his rivals. He was still hurt. Then he did unpardonable thing. He glanced over his shoulders to see who were following him. In that moment, his rebel, a boy in the first form, overtook him. With all his strength, Omane ran, but the rebel won. Omane had come second. Reaction to the boy's second position. Mrs. Miller embraced Omane. To her, his second position was something to be proud of. His father considered it better than nothing. His mother asked him not to mind his defeat. He would be first another time. Mrs. Shuttleworth proposed to make an athlete of him. Mrs. Shuttleworth was a big bit angry. She called him very stupid little boy and said he would have won if he had not looked around. The prize distribution. The evening came. It was prize distribution function. On a table there were rows of trophies, cups, shields and medals. Omane wished the prize to be a bicycle or a postcard or a medal engine. He was wondering that the prize would be a lady in the purple dress was to give away the prizes. The boy's turn came. She lifted the biggest prize to give him, saying, "What big prize for a little boy." Mr. Shuttleworth was then talking of some people. Omane bore it off very proudly. Just then the real winner came and snatched it. The victor told the boy, disappointed by the way of encouragement, that he would get the big one next year. Conclusion. The lady made a mistake when Mr. Shuttleworth's attention was elsewhere. The mood of joy turned into the one agony for the boy. The boy shed tears. He purified it with his tears. Model paragraph. Describe the boy's joy and sorrow during the prize distribution. In the running race, a boy in the first form came first. Omane had come in second. Miss Shuttleworth felt his failure more keenly than he. He was not impressed with the prizes arranged on the table. The boy's turn to get prize came. The lady in the stage gave him a heavy cup meant for the first place winner. Hugging it to his breast and blushing with pride and triumph, he bore it off into the crowd. He would have refused a bicycle or an album or a model engine at the time. The real winner snatched it from him. The lady had made a mistake while Mr. Shuttleworth's attention was elsewhere. The mood of joy entered into one of agony. Yet the boy was consoled that he would get a big prize next year.